get started in any more videos, I wanted to show you what white rice flour I use. I make my own. I go to an Asian food market and found my own ingredients. I use this tapioca noodle flour, and it's just really smooth. And so I mix one of these, which is 24 ounces. I mix 30 ounces of rice flour, just a plain rice flour, and about 2 cups of sweet rice flour. And I just mix all those up together, and I always sift it. If you don't sift it, you'll get little clumps. And what I love about this flour is that it is super fine, and so you don't get any of the grittiness that you have in normal gluten-free flour. Normally you can kind of tell because it has a little bit of a grit, and you really don't get that in this kind of a flour. So I just wanted to share with you what I use. You could certainly use any of the pre-made flours, but this is what I use.